Good morning, Monday. Hello everyone, another day, another vlog, short video. Look at this guys, it's raining. It's raining, wet, wet, wet. Wet, wet, wet day. And my grass is turning green. Finally, they're growing. Finally, surviving. Busy hours guys, busy hours. Look at the trees, my leaves na oh. There's a leaves na all the trees now guys, look at that. Diba? Oh, green na yeah, green na green na. Wow, green na green. Green na green. Look at this. Cloudy, maulan na panahon. Cloudy. Walking everyone. Walking in the morning. Look at that grass, beautiful. Greenish color. Ang ganda ng pagka-grow ng mga green guys green tapos pag winter naman is kulay white. Nakakasawang tignan ng white kasi it's like almost 6 months. Pag green ay ano lang yan, few months lang. Diba? Wet day, rainy, wet day. Rumot, alintad to alinta. Warm. If it's raining, the alinta is coming out. You know, is alinta means the worm. Alinta lagi ipagpakat natin paniit. Before that, yeah, for now iba na nag-upgrade na yung mga pang-mimiwing wet. Nabibili na talaga na wire, may rod, may may mga tawag doon. Hindi na yung mga maliliit na kawayan na tinutugkil. Ngayon na dihawak na mahaba na ang haba ng tali. Ano ba yun? Tawag doon, ewan. Fish rod, no? And fishing rod. Alright. Yan. In the morning, view in the morning is greenish. Green na green, walang sun. It's cloudy, rainy, wetty. Nagkini naman ang nagkini-kini. At kinikini. At kinikini. Dapat i-stop ng rain, rain, rain. Rain, 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 go away. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed Monday. Thank you. Bye-bye.